Hi, this is Daryl from Nelson Treehouse. Today I'd like to introduce you to our new tree fort install bit. This replaces our old bits from the past, puts them all into one package. It's going to make your life a lot more efficient and easier. The new bit has 3 stages. It's got the ship auger bit, a tooth to allow for the unthreaded shank, and then a larger cutting blade for the back of the boss. It also has a mark on it to let you know how deep to go. So the beauty of the new bit is it's only one bit. So you don't have to change anything out as you're drilling for your tree fort tab. Once you've determined your tree location, your tree tab location, get your angle, make sure you're properly level, and then start to drill. When you get close to the depth mark, start to be careful and go a little bit slower. Once you hit that mark, then pull it out and you're ready to install the tab. Be sure to clean out your hole and then you're ready to put in a tab. I like to start tree fort tab just with my hands. Get a little bit of the thread started. Then you can start with your pipe wrench. So you'll feel that back of the boss hit the back of the hole, and that's when you know to stop. Now you have a tree fort tab installed.